Hello, friends. The immune system is an intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. This system is divided into two main components: the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. Each plays a crucial role in identifying and neutralizing potential threats, ensuring our bodies remain healthy. The innate immune system is the body's first line of defense. It responds quickly and nonspecifically to any foreign invader. This part of the immune system includes physical barriers like the skin and mucous membranes, which act as shields to prevent pathogens from entering the body. When these barriers are breached, cells such as phagocytes, including macrophages and neutrophils, are immediately dispatched to engulf and destroy the invaders. Natural killer cells, another component of the innate immune system, target and kill cells infected by viruses or transformed by cancer. Complement proteins are another vital part of the innate immune response. These proteins circulate in the blood and can quickly mark pathogens for destruction, recruit immune cells to the site of infection, and directly destroy pathogens by puncturing their cell membranes. Additionally, the inflammatory response is a critical aspect of innate immunity. When tissues are injured or infected, they release chemicals like histamines that increase blood flow and permeability of the blood vessels, allowing more immune cells to reach the affected area. While the innate immune system provides an immediate response, it lacks specificity and memory. This is where the adaptive immune system comes into play. The adaptive immune system is highly specific to particular pathogens and has the ability to remember previous encounters, providing long-lasting protection. This system involves lymphocytes, which are a type of white blood cell. There are two main types of lymphocytes: B cells and T cells. B cells are responsible for producing antibodies, which are proteins that specifically bind to antigens, foreign molecules, on the surface of pathogens. When a B cell encounters its specific antigen, it becomes activated and differentiates into a plasma cell. Plasma cells secrete large quantities of antibodies that circulate in the blood and bind to the pathogen, marking it for destruction by other immune cells. Memory B cells are also generated, which remain in the body long after the infection has been cleared, allowing for a faster and more robust response if the pathogen is encountered again. T cells come in several varieties, each with a unique function. Helper T cells, CD4 plus T cells, play a crucial role in coordinating the immune response by releasing signaling molecules called cytokines. These cytokines help activate other immune cells, including B cells and cytotoxic T cells, CD8 plus T cells, which are responsible for directly killing infected or cancerous cells. Regulatory T cells, TREGs, help maintain immune tolerance by suppressing the immune response, preventing autoimmunity where the body attacks its own tissues. The adaptive immune system also relies on antigen-presenting cells, APCs, such as dendritic cells and macrophages, to capture antigens from pathogens and present them to T cells. This process ensures that the adaptive immune system is precisely targeted to the specific pathogen, providing a powerful and efficient defense. Vaccination is a prime example of how we can harness the power of the adaptive immune system. Vaccines contain antigens from a pathogen that have been weakened or killed, or they might contain pieces of the pathogen, such as proteins. When a vaccine is administered, it stimulates the adaptive immune system to produce memory cells without causing disease. This prepares the immune system to respond rapidly and effectively if the real pathogen is encountered in the future. The immune system is not just about fighting off infections, it also plays a role in surveillance and elimination of cancer cells. This process, known as immune surveillance, involves detecting and destroying cells that have become cancerous. However, some cancer cells can evade the immune system by exploiting mechanisms that inhibit immune responses. Researchers are developing immunotherapies, such as checkpoint inhibitors and CAR T-cell therapy, to enhance the immune system's ability to target and eliminate cancer cells. Despite its effectiveness, the immune system can sometimes malfunction. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Examples include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis. In these conditions, the immune system targets specific organs or systems, leading to chronic inflammation and tissue damage. Allergies are another form of immune system dysfunction, where the immune system overreacts to harmless substances like pollen, pet dander, or certain foods, causing symptoms such as itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Maintaining a healthy immune system is essential for overall well-being. Several factors can influence immune function, including nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress levels. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and effective stress management can all contribute to a robust immune system. Additionally, certain lifestyle choices, such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, can weaken the immune system and should be avoided. The gut microbiome also plays a significant role in immune health. The trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms living in the digestive tract help regulate immune responses and maintain a balanced immune system. Probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods and supplements, can support gut health and, in turn, strengthen immune function. Emerging research is uncovering more about the intricate connections between the immune system and other bodily systems. For instance, the immune system and the nervous system communicate closely, with immune cells influencing brain function and vice versa. This crosstalk can impact mood, behavior, and cognitive function, highlighting the importance of a holistic approach to health. Advances in immunology continue to reveal new insights into how the immune system works and how we can manipulate it to treat diseases. For example, scientists are exploring the potential of gene editing technologies like CRISPR to correct genetic defects that cause immune system disorders. Additionally, personalized medicine approaches are being developed to tailor treatments based on an individual's unique immune profile, improving the efficacy and safety of therapies. The immune system is a complex and dynamic network that defends the body against a multitude of harmful invaders known as pathogens. Pathogens are microorganisms that cause disease, and they come in various forms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Each type of pathogen has unique characteristics and mechanisms of causing disease, and the immune system has evolved various strategies to combat them effectively. Bacteria are single-celled organisms that can thrive in diverse environments. They come in various shapes, such as rods, spheres, and spirals, and can reproduce rapidly through binary fission. Some bacteria are beneficial and essential for processes like digestion and nutrient cycling, while others are pathogenic and cause diseases such as tuberculosis, strep throat, and urinary tract infections. The immune system combats bacterial infections primarily through the actions of phagocytes, which engulf and digest the bacteria. Additionally, the complement system, a group of proteins in the blood, helps to mark bacteria for destruction and recruits immune cells to the site of infection. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria and cannot reproduce on their own. Instead, they invade host cells and hijack the cellular machinery to replicate. This process often damages or destroys the host cell, leading to disease. Viruses cause a wide range of illnesses, from the common cold and influenza to more severe diseases like HIV/AIDS, Ebola, and COVID-19. The immune system fights viral infections through several mechanisms. Infected cells display viral antigens on their surfaces, which are recognized by cytotoxic T cells. These T cells then kill the infected cells to prevent the virus from spreading. Additionally, B cells produce antibodies that specifically bind to viral particles, neutralizing them and marking them for destruction by other immune cells. Fungi are more complex organisms that include yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. While many fungi are harmless or even beneficial, some can cause infections, particularly in individuals with weakened immune systems. Fungal infections can affect the skin, nails, lungs, and other body parts, with diseases such as athlete's foot, ringworm, and histoplasmosis. The immune system responds to fungal infections through both innate and adaptive mechanisms. Phagocytes, including neutrophils and macrophages, play a critical role in engulfing and destroying fungal cells. T cells and antibodies also contribute to the defense against fungi by recognizing and targeting specific fungal antigens. Parasites are a diverse group of organisms that live on or inside a host, often causing harm. They include protozoa, such as Plasmodium, which causes malaria, and multicellular organisms like worms, helminths, and arthropods, such as lice and ticks. Parasitic infections can be particularly challenging for the immune system due to the parasite's complex life cycles and ability to evade immune detection. The immune response to parasites involves both cellular and humoral components. Eosinophils and mast cells are particularly important in fighting helminth infections, while antibodies can neutralize protozoan parasites and prevent their spread. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in the immune response by transporting lymph, a fluid containing infection-fighting white blood cells, throughout the body. Lymph nodes, scattered throughout the body, act as filters, trapping pathogens and foreign particles. The spleen, another vital organ, filters the blood and helps fight infections. Lymphatic vessels carry lymph fluid back to the circulatory system, ensuring a continuous supply of immune cells where they are needed most. Cytokines and chemokines are signaling molecules that regulate the immune response. Cytokines, such as interleukins and interferons, act as messengers between cells, coordinating the activities of B cells, T cells, and other immune cells. Chemokines are a subset of cytokines that specifically attract immune cells to sites of infection or inflammation, ensuring a rapid and targeted response. Major histocompatibility complex, MHC molecules, are critical for antigen presentation. MHC class I molecules present peptides from inside the cell to cytotoxic T cells, while MHC class II molecules present extracellular antigens to helper T cells. This presentation is essential for the activation and specificity of the adaptive immune response. Immune tolerance is the process by which the immune system avoids attacking the body's own cells. Central tolerance occurs in the thymus and bone marrow, where self-reactive T and B cells are eliminated. Peripheral tolerance involves mechanisms outside of primary lymphoid organs, such as regulatory T cells, which suppress immune responses to self-antigens, preventing autoimmunity. Certain parts of the body, known as immune privilege sites, have limited immune responses to protect delicate tissues from damage. These sites include the brain, eyes, and reproductive organs. Immune responses in these areas are tightly regulated to prevent inflammation that could harm essential functions. Innate immunity components such as toll-like receptors, TLRs, and pattern recognition receptors, PRRs, recognize common molecular patterns on pathogens, triggering immediate immune responses. The inflammasome, a multi-protein complex, activates inflammatory responses by detecting pathogens and cellular stress. Memory cells, both B cells and T cells, are essential for long-term immunity. Once activated by an initial infection or vaccination, these cells remain in the body and provide a faster, more robust response upon re-exposure to the same pathogen. Passive immunity involves the transfer of antibodies from one individual to another. Natural passive immunity occurs, for example, when maternal antibodies are transferred to a baby through breast milk. Artificial passive immunity involves administering antibodies from another source, such as immunoglobulin therapy, to provide immediate protection against infections. The immune system undergoes changes with age, a process known as immunosenescence. This decline in immune function increases susceptibility to infections and reduces the effectiveness of vaccinations in the elderly. Understanding these changes is crucial for developing strategies to enhance immune responses in older adults. Pathogens have evolved various strategies to evade the immune system, such as antigenic variation, immune suppression, and intracellular hiding. These evasion tactics allow pathogens to persist and cause chronic infections or escape immune detection. Autoimmune diseases develop when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Genetic, environmental, and hormonal factors can contribute to autoimmunity. Examples of autoimmune diseases include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis, each affecting different organs and systems. Vaccines are a cornerstone of modern medicine, providing immunity against various infectious diseases. Different types of vaccines, such as live attenuated, inactivated, subunit, and mRNA vaccines, use different mechanisms to stimulate the immune system and confer protection without causing illness. Immunotherapy is a promising field that leverages the immune system to treat diseases, particularly cancer. Monoclonal antibodies, cancer vaccines, and adoptive cell transfer therapies are examples of immunotherapies that enhance the immune response to target and eliminate cancer cells. Transplant immunology addresses the challenges of organ and tissue transplants, including rejection and graft versus host disease. Immunosuppressive therapies are used to prevent the immune system from attacking transplanted organs, ensuring their acceptance and function. Allergic reactions occur when the immune system overreacts to harmless substances such as pollen, pet dander, or certain foods. The mechanism involves IgE antibodies binding to allergens and triggering the release of histamines from mast cells, causing symptoms like itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. The gut microbiome, consisting of trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms, plays a significant role in regulating immune responses. A healthy microbiome supports immune function, while imbalances can contribute to immune disorders. Probiotics, found in fermented foods and supplements, can help maintain gut health and strengthen the immune system. Diet and nutrition are critical for maintaining a robust immune system. Nutrients such as vitamins A, C, D, E, minerals, zinc, selenium, and phytochemicals from fruits and vegetables support immune function. A balanced diet rich in these nutrients can enhance the body's ability to fight infections. The immune system is a sophisticated and dynamic network that protects us from a wide range of threats. Its components, including the innate and adaptive immune systems, work together to provide immediate and long-lasting defense. While the immune system is remarkably effective, it is not infallible, and understanding its mechanisms is essential for maintaining health and developing new treatments for diseases. By continuing to study and harness the power of the immune system, we can improve health outcomes and enhance our ability to combat diseases in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through immune system. Please like, comment, and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.